Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. Today is going to be a vlog, a day in the life of a lash tech. So if you want to see what my day looks like, then please keep watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? Taping up my client. To tape my client, I use gel pads and I use NextCare tape. I use 3 pieces, one on the inner corner, one on the outer corner, and one across the center of the lash line. I'm also giving my client a consultation and explaining to her how a doll eye gives you a more wide open look, and then how a cat eye gives you a more winged out look. So basically my process is I will tape my client, and then I will cleanse my client and prime my client, and then I will go ahead and get started with the lash application. As I'm doing these steps, I speak to my clients while their eyes are closed, and I tell them every step that I'm doing so they're not alarmed, and so they're fully aware of what is going on while their eyes are closed.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna
keep everything sanitary in between clients. I use a lash palette that I put my lashes on, and then I have a flower bouquet that I put my glue in. It fits 2 dots of the glue, so I do use like 2 to 3 each lash application, because you should be switching your glue out every 15 to 20 minutes. Once it starts getting tacky, you want to replace your glue. Here I am lashing my client, so I'm doing a classic set on her. She likes them to be shorter length, and I work from inner corners and outer corners to the center. Some people go left to right, and I work one eye at a time. I don't go back and forth between both eyes. I just do the left eye first or the right eye first, and then I will go to the other eye. And again, like I said, I go from inner corner and outer corner into the center. That's just how I lash, and that's what's quickest for me, because the inner and outer corners are the most difficult. So in the center, it takes me much faster. I go faster in the center because it's easier. So you can do whatever you please, but this has seemed to work for me, and I have been lashing 3 years going on 4. And here's the final results of the classic set that I did on her. If you guys want to know how I take videos and how I edit my lash pictures, please leave a comment down below and I will do a video on how to do so. After every single client, I wipe down my recliner and I sanitize my hands, and I will clean my implements in between each client with 91% alcohol. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this set. This girl had so many lashes, and they were straight lashes, so it was super easy to lash her. Here I am just lash mapping. Yes, as a seasoned lash artist, I still do lash mapping. It's very important so that there's no guesswork. You just go from left eye and right eye, and you already know what you're supposed to put there because you have lash mapped it out for yourself. So I'm giving her a cat eye. She likes them longer. I love doing longer sets, and I love doing volume sets, so I really had fun with this one. My lash mapping and my tile setup, I am using pre-made fans by Fabu. Another sanitary tip I like to use, and especially that now we're in COVID times, I put a towel on my client's forehead that protects their skin from my skin, because I do have my palms resting on each of my client's foreheads. So just for an extra safety precaution for you and for the client, just you can if you want to. This is halfway done on her lashes. You can see I did the outer corners first, and then I do the inner, and then the middle. So we're halfway there. I'm obsessed with these lashes. Alright guys, hey, what's up? So I just did 2 clients already today. I'm just about to eat this yogurt. I'm about to just eat this yogurt right here. I just was checking the expiration date, and I have it naked. This is the first thing that I'm eating all day today. So I have one more client to do, and then I'm done for the day. I'm probably gonna do some more like lash class stuff that I have to do, some errands that I have to run, and then I'm going to record some YouTube videos tonight. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 892 today, and it's Saturday, so hopefully before October I'll be monetized, so then I can get some Halloween content out and some Vlogmas content out, and then I can get paid for that. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my freaking channel. What are you waiting for? Okay, so I have one more client and I will show you guys the process of that. All right. So this client had a soft glam set, however she did like them on the shorter side, and I gave her a doll eye look, so the longest lengths in the very middle and then shorter lengths on the inner and outer corners for that wide open doll eye effect. Definitely here for a nice, clean, classic, natural looking soft glam look. Alright guys, that was my vlog, a day in the life of a lash tech. I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.